We operate in two main jurisdictions. The first one is Mexico. We acquired 3 silver projects from a company called First Mining Finance in 2016. We brought the company to trade at that time. And of those 3 Mexican assets, one in particular called Peñasco Camado in Sonora State is one that we wish to develop. The other project that we have, which is becoming our flagship project to the company, we acquired in early 2017 from a company called Silver Standard. It is in essence the old producing silver mine called the Candelaria Silver Mine in Nevada, which historically was one of the richest, highest grade silver producers in the entire state. We're advancing, in particular, as I said, our Candelaria Silver Project in Nevada. We think there's 3 excellent potentials there. First potential is there were some old leach pads which were not exhausted and still contain about just under 50 million ounces of silver at an average grade of about 40 grams per ton silver. We are going to look at those with respect to reprocessing those heaps with and hopefully a timeline for production in the early 2020s. We need to drill them, we need to do metallurgical testing, and if the metallurgical recoveries are good, we'll proceed with feasibility and then on to a production decision. On top of that, there is the potential for a high-grade intercept, which was encountered in previous drilling by Silver Standard. Values up to 670 grams per ton silver over 14 meters need to be examined for a high-grade potential at depth. And on top of that, there's a lot of long strike potential to increase the current resource base, and essentially old historic workings confirm that there's a lot of silver along strike. We think there's lots of potential at Candelaria. Essentially, those who are looking for a pure silver play, there aren't too many pure silver companies in existence today. Silver One is a pure silver company. We have excellent upside potential for near-term production. On top of that, very large silver resources, which we are in the process of expanding. And we are also on the acquisition curve. We have great financial backers. We have great promotional backers, and we're affiliated with the First Mining Finance, First Majestic group of companies. So we think there is good upside for the company. The event here is very good. I also attended the New York event last spring. I also plan on attending the London event coming up in November. The event's very good. I haven't been to Hong Kong in many years, but I'm pleasantly surprised with the turnout and the investor interest.